Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
All right, guys, we got a 2012 Honda Civic 4-cylinder. What we got done on it, factory pipe, factory converter up there on the manifold. Then it runs 1 3/4. We added the 2-inch instead of the resonator that was in the middle. And then we did a muffler delete and added a stainless steel muffler with a special turn down. Check it out. Something different for you guys, a different look. I like it. That's what it looks like now. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out. You guys tell me in the comments, what do you think of this tip style? Yes or no? I like it. Sound decibels? Yeah. Right at 97. Go ahead and back it out. Sound. I like it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Honda Civic blinking away. I don't know if you guys can see that in the LEDs. With a resonator delete and stainless steel muffler with a turn down tip.